nice feature of this software is found in Advanced Network Manager. So we can select the Advanced Test box, and you will see this nice little window that allows you to select any input on your loop and to test it for a condition. So basically it'll help you see if a specific input has been configured properly. So we can select, for example, loop 2 input 17, loop 2 input 17, and see what happens in case of, for example, pre-alarm. As you can see, the input the device has turned orange. So this is a nice feature to see if you've correctly programmed a device or any symbol on your page. Then you can also reset, and the indication goes away, as you can see here.